A super cute boy ran to a living room in military uniform, which was very big for him. He was holding a toy gun too, which was very big for his cute tiny baby hands. Da 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 da. June caught him. Cookie, baby, why are you running? And what are you wearing? It's too big for you. Cook, Appa, bye, Cookie. June, oh, you mean Appa brought this for Cookie? Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Dada. June, okay, but where is your Appa? Cook, Appa packing clothes, Cookie. June, oh, Appa is packing Cookie's clothes, but why? Cook, Appa says Cookie play. June, Appa said Cookie to play. Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Cookie office. June smiled. It's officer, baby. Cookie is an officer, not office. Cook showed him his toy gun. Dada, play Cookie. June, Dada is tired, baby. Dada can't play with you. Cook, no, Dada, play Cookie. June mumbles. How can I make him understand that Dada wanna play with your Appa, not with you, baby? Cook tried to pull his hand. Dada, play. June, in mind, I have to engage him, otherwise he won't let me relax. Cook shook him with full force. Dada! What's happening here? Cookie, baby, why are you shouting? Cook went to him. Appa, Dada not play Cookie. Junie, why aren't you playing with Cookie? June, Ginny, I'm really very tired. Cook, big angry pout. Cookie, play. Jin, see, you made a baby cry. June looked at his cute pout. Okay, Dada will play with Cookie. Go and hide yourself. Dada will find you, okay? Cook happily ran to hide himself. Jin looked at Cook's going figure. My cute baby, see how June pulled him on his lap. Ginny, baby, I missed you so much. Placed few feather kisses on his neck. Jin, what are you doing? Aren't you tired now? June, I'm recharging myself. Slides his hands under Jin's shirt and hugged his beard back tightly. Do you know from how long I didn't touch you? Jin, of course I know. I also missed your touch so much. June, because of Cookie, our romance limited in washroom. Before his arrival, we were like free birds. We can romance anywhere. But now, we can't even touch each other. Jin, but he brings happiness in our life. He completed our life. June, I am not denying this. We are blessed to have him in our life, but I want you too. Can you imagine my situation? A full course buffet is in my eyes, but I can't have it. We sleep together, but I can't touch you. Jin beat on his lips. I can understand, baby. My situation is also like you. I also yearn for you and your magical touch, but what can we do? We can't do anything in presence of Cookie, and we can't leave him anywhere because he isn't comfortable with anyone. June bite on his neck while giving. I didn't know anything. You have to solve my problem. I can't wait anymore to devour you. Please, na. Jin softly, Junie, please stop. Cookie is here. June, I can't control myself anymore. I want you. Picked him in his arms and started walking towards the room while kissing him. He came inside and locked the door. He dropped Jin on the bed and quickly hovered over him. He didn't waste any second and hungrily started kissing him. He tore on his shirt in blink of second. Jin, Junie, what did you do? It was an expensive shirt. Why did you tear it? June, don't worry, Ginny. What I'm going to give you is much more expensive than this shirt. Without any delay, he attacked on Jin and started kissing his jawline and neck. But then Cookie started banging the door loudly. Cookie banging the door loudly. Dada, Appa, Dada, Appa, Cookie, door. Jin tried to stood up. Cookie. June pushed him. Ignore him, he will be tired and go. Jin, but how can we ignore him? June, Ginny, wait for only few minutes, it will finish soon. Cook started crying loudly. Appa, Dada. Cook started crying more loudly, which Namjin couldn't hear. June went to his closet and threw his oversized hoodie to Jin. Jin quickly poured it. June opened the door. As soon as he opened the door, Cook ran inside and climbed on the bed. He hugged Jin tightly like Cola and he started crying loudly. Jin wiped his tears. Cookie, Appa is here. Why is my baby cry? Stop it, Cook, while crying hard. Cookie is scared. Dada, Appa, no. Jin, oh my Cookie got scared to not find Dada and Appa anywhere. Cook, Nurati said breathlessly. Yes, Cookie, Dada, Appa. Jin, Cookie wants Dada and Appa. Cookie has his Dada and Appa. Don't worry, baby. Now don't cry. You know na, Dada and Appa can't see tears in Cookie's beautiful eyes. Tried his best to pacify him. June looked at him. Yeah, why is Cookie crying? Dada should cry. Jin looked at him. Stop it, Junie. Looked at his waist. Sorry. June, keep your sorry. I don't want it. I want something else. He stomped his feet and went to washroom to solve his problem, just like a winning kid. Time skipped after some times. June lay while putting his head on Jin's lap and Cookie was laying on June's chest while hugging him. Jin was lovingly stroking June's hairs. Jin, sorry Junie. June, why are you saying sorry? It's not your fault. Jin, but then also I'm feeling bad to not help you. June, Yoongi Yang is so lucky. Jin, what do you mean? June, he has Jimin. Jin, you are trying to say Jimin is better than me? June, there is no comparison between you two. Jimin is good, but you are the best. I am saying that because today he is coming back after a month. Jin, he has to go for his work straight from his wedding venue. Yoongi must be so happy. June, happy? He was on cloud nine and dancing and screaming in happiness. Cook stood and sat on June's chest. Minnie, mine. June, Ginny, see, hearing Jimin's name, he stood up to Cook. Baby, now your Minnie is only Uni, uncle. Cook, no, Minnie, mine. Uni, no. Cookie, bite. June, oh, this much possessiveness. You will bite Yoongi Yang. Cook showed him his teeth. Yes, Cookie, bite Uni. June, Ginny, I didn't know our son is this much possessive for Jimin. Jin, you don't know Junie. He can't let anyone come closer to Jimin. Cook, Cookie, go, Minnie. June, Cookie wanna meet Jimin? Cook nodded his head perkilously. Yes. June, no baby, you can't meet him. Today is his first night. Jin thought some evil idea and smirked. Wedding night, June, he is coming back today, so technically today will be their first night. Jin, Junie, don't you think on this special occasion we should give them something special which makes their first night more memorable? June, you are right, Ginny. We should give him something special, but what? Jin, I already decided. You just book a luxurious honeymoon suite. June, that's a great idea. We should send them on a romantic honeymoon. Jin, correction, Junie. We are going on a second honeymoon. You want to spend some alone quality time? Just you, me, and lots of romance, said June, gulped hard. Of course I want, honey. Jim, then book the tickets. Till then, I will pack our bags. June, and what about Cookie? Jim, don't worry about him. He will more happy than us. June, okay. Meanwhile, with Yoongi was on cloud 9, just like June said. And why wouldn't he be? After a whole month waiting, he finally got the opportunity to spend some quality time with his husband. He was so enthusiastic. Jimin was in washroom and taking shower. He was decorating the room with rose petals to make their first night more special. He can't wait anymore. Suddenly, washroom's door opened, revealing Jimin in silk robe. Water was dripping from his ears and went down through his neck. Lips were parted a little bit. His hairs were messy. His milky white leg was showing by high thigh-slit robe. He was looking breathtaking hot. Yoongi lost his all the senses after looking him. He couldn't believe his rare natural beauty is only his. Only he can see him, devour him, touch him. Only he has the right on him. Jimin leaned on the wall. What are you looking? Yoongi, I'm looking my hot husband who is ready to kill me by his hotness. Jimin, really? Yoongi, really? By the way, you are looking damn hot. Even more than my imagination, you increase the beauty of this silk robe. Jimin, I always look good in dress which you brought for me. Yoongi walked to him. You don't know how much I waited for this night. This whole month seems like a century for me. I can't wait anymore to make you mine. I crave for you from ages. Jimin, then who has stopped you? I'm all yours. I also crave for you. I spend my each night just by remembering you. Come and make me yours and only yours. I want you, said Yoongi. You are making me more. I won't show any mercy on you. Jimin pulled him closer to himself. I don't want any mercy though. Yoongi, don't worry. I already took a week off. I already did all the arrangements. From tomorrow onwards, I will take full care of you. Don't worry, I will always be with you. Jimin smiled. I know that. Yoongi kissed on his forehead. I love you, my love. Jimin closed his eyes to feel the kiss. I love you too. He picked him in his arms and gently made him lay down on the bed and hovered over him. Yoongi, are you ready, my love? Jimin shyly nodded his head. Yes. He gently placed few kisses on his forehead, then slid down on his cute button nose and kissed on it. Then he went to his right earlobe and softly sucked it. He did the same with his left ear too. A soft escaped from Jimin's mouth, which makes Yoongi more than he already has. He went to his soft mochi-like cheeks and softly it too. He looked at Jimin's plumpy lips, which was already parted away, and creased it by his right thumb. He leaned to him. Their lips were going to touch just then doorbell rang. First, Jimin ignored it, but then main door started banging loudly, along with doorbells. Jimin, Yoongi, go and check, please. Yoongi, let them bang the door. Whoever is outside will go after getting tired. Let's not ruin our mood, please. Jimin, Yoongi, please understand. If we don't check, then how will we know who is on the door? I will take only few minutes. We have whole night. Yoongi wins. Jimin, okay, fine, don't go. I will go and check. Yoongi, no, you wait here. I'm going. He angrily stomped his feet and went to the main door. He opened the door and a cute boy quickly ran inside the house while shouting, Minnie, Minnie. Oh, so he is our Cookie. Yoongi widened his eyes. Cookie, you here? Cook ignored him and shouts, Minnie, Minnie, Minnie. Yoongi held his arm. Minnie isn't here. Go from here. From where's you come? He bit his hand and ran inside the living room while shouting, Minnie, Minnie. Yoongi rubbed his hand. Ah, this bunny boy has sharp teeth like rat. Hey, stop right there. You can't come inside. Ran beside him. Cook shouts, Minnie, Minnie, Minnie. Yoongi stood in front of him and crossed arm. Hey, why are you shouting and running? Do you think you are in a garden? Cook looked at him, crossed arm. Cookie, meet Minnie. Yoongi, Jimin isn't here. You can go. Cook, no, Minnie here. Yoongi, this is my house and you aren't welcome here. Go. Showed him door. Cook climbed on the couch. This Minnie house, Cookie house too. Yoongi, no ways. It's only mine and Jimin's house. You aren't welcomed. Jimin came there after hearing noise and got shocked to see Cook's verbal fight. Cook saw him and quickly ran to him. Cook happily ran to him. Minnie, Minnie, Minnie. Jimin quickly picked him in his arms. Cookie. Cook, Cookie, miss Minnie. Jimin, Minnie also missed his Cookie so much. Minnie brought lots of toys, chocolates and clothes for Cookie. Yoongi forcefully took Cook from Jimin and made him stand, which we will send to your home. You don't need to come here. Now go. Cook, no, hugged Jimin tightly and showed him his tongue. Yoongi, you little piece of Jimin. Yoongi. Yoongi nervously looked at him. Bean, baby, bean. I was saying, you little piece of bean. Jimin, whatever, looked at Cook. Cookie, where are your appa and data? Namjin, we are here. Jimin went to hit them and hugged. Yangs, what a pleasant surprise. Come and sit. June, oh no, we don't have time. We have a flight. We came here just to meet you. Yoongi quickly gave Cookie to Jin. Yes, baby, they have flight. We shouldn't stop them. Yang, you can go. We will video call you. Jin gave Cook back to Yoongi. Yes, we are going. Cookie missed Jimin a lot, so we decided to leave him with you two for a week. Let's go, Juni. June, okay, honey. Gave Jimin Cookie's bag. Yoongi, super shocked. What? No, it can't be possible. You must be kidding, right? Jin, no, we are serious. Yoongi, how can you leave your son with us? No, we can't take his responsibility. Take him with yourself. Jin, why can't we? Cookie wanna spend time with his Minnie and I don't ask your permission. Come, baby, let's go. Otherwise our flight will be missed. Cookie. Baby, enjoy here. Dada and Appa will be back soon, okay? Cook, okay, bye. Waved his hand. Jimin, don't worry, Yang. We will take care of Cookie. June, and one more thing, please don't call us. We will be very busy. Jimin, okay, Yang. You go and peacefully attend your meeting. Jin, we aren't going to attend any meeting. Jimin, then June, we are going on our second honeymoon. Yunmin looked at each other and super shocked. What? Jin said in Jimin's ear, you are looking super hot. Don't tell me you both already started. Said teasingly. Jimin pressed hard and head on his shoulder. Yang, you. Namjin hugged and kissed Cookie's cheeks and left. Now Yoongi was super frustrated. Yoongi, seriously? After ruining our first night, they both went on their second honeymoon? How mean they are. I hate them so much. Jimin, it's okay, Yoongi. Don't worry. Yoongi, how can we get this much chill out? I took a week off, not for babysitting. Jimin, he's just a baby. We can continue after he sleeps. Cook came back with Tangnis and gave to Jimin. Minnie, Tangnis. Jimin quickly peeled and gave to him. Cookie, wanna eat Tangnis? Eat, baby, eat. Yoongi quickly snatched it from Cookie's hands. What, eat? It's mine. Cook, Tanny, mine. Jimin snatched it from Yoongi's hand and gave to him. It cookies. Eat how much you want. Cook purposely showed him. It's sweet. teased Yoongi. Yoongi, see Jimin, he's teasing me. Jimin, he's just a 3-year-old baby. He can't even form the sentences, and you are saying he's teasing you. Stop being jealous from him. Cook looked at Jimin's leg and quickly removed his shirt and covered it. Uni, poor mini close dear. Jimin smiled to see his protective behavior. Ah, my cookie is so caring. Yoongi, fuming in anger, carrying my foot. He told me poor. He taunted me, Dad. I couldn't buy clothes for you. That's why you wore dear clothes. Jimin picked cookies in his arms and walked towards their room. Stay here and jealous. We are going. Yoongi followed them. Wait for me too. Arthur, if you wonder what's the relationship between Namjin and Yunmin, then let me tell you, Yoongi and Jin were best friends. That's why he loves to tease Yoongi. Poor Yoongi, neither he protects his tang niece nor his husband from Cookie. That's why he is way more than jealous from him. Jimin came inside the room and Cook became so happy to see the decoration. He quickly climbed on the bed and started throwing the rose petals in the air. It fell on him and he started laughing. Jimin looked at him. Look like Cookie loves roses, Cook looked at him. Cookie loves Minnie. Jimin sat beside him. Minnie also loves Cookie. Started showering rose petals on him. Yoongi came there. No, Jimin only loves me. Cook looked at him. Minnie, mine. Yoongi, no, Jimin is only mine. We are legally married. Cook angrily looked at him. Cookie, pick, marry Minnie. Yoongi, no, you can't marry with my Jimin. He is already married. Jimin, stop it, Yoongi. You are fighting with kid. Cook kissed on Jimin's cheek. Cookie loves Minnie. Yoongi burned in anger. Ah, how can you kiss my husband, this little bean? First eat my tang niece, then kiss my husband on my bed on my first night. I won't leave him. Angrily grabbed his arm. Cook screamed, Minnie! Jimin slapped on his hand and freed him. Oh, my baby, don't cry. See, your Minnie is here. He started walking back and forth while holding him in his arms, and Cook showed his tiny tongue to Yoongi. Cook, Minnie hurts. Jimin, I know, baby. It will be fine soon. Started rubbing his arm. Yoongi, what are you doing there? Say I'm sorry. You made him cry. Yoongi pointed his finger on himself. Me? Looked Jimin's angry glare and gulped out. Of course, I will apologize to him. Held his ear by his hands. Cookie, I'm really sorry. Jimin, that's better. Come, Cookie, now we should sleep. Let her on the bed and made Cook sleep next to him in the center. Cook quickly hugged him. Good night, Minnie. Jimin, good night, Cookie. Yoongi, good night, Jimin. About to lay next to him, but Cook kicked him. Cook kicked him. You need no sleep. Only Minnie, Cookie sleep. Yoongi, this bed is too big. We three sleep together. Cook stubbornly. No, only Cookie, Minnie sleep. Yoongi, wait, it's my room. Jimin, Yoongi, go and sleep on the couch. Yoongi, but Jimin, Yoongi, please go, otherwise neither he will sleep nor let us sleep too. Yoongi, sad face, okay. Cook happily gave him pillow. Bye, waved his hand. Yoongi lay down on the couch and said in mind, wow, what a memorable first night is it. On my first night, on my bed, someone else is sleeping with my husband and I'm sleeping on the couch. Ah! Time skipped in the morning. Jimin was preparing coffee and breakfast for everyone. Just then, two strong arms hugged his waist tightly and placed soft kisses on his cheek and neck. Jimin smiled. You woke up early. Yoongi smelled his scent. I love you. Jimin, I love you too. Coffee? Yoongi, much need. Jimin flinched hard. What happened? They both looked down and saw Cookie was sitting on the floor and biting Yoongi's leg. Jimin bent down till his level. You naughty boy, why did you bite him? Cook, Minnie, mine. Yoongi, no, Minnie only mine. Kissed on his cheek and ran outside. Cookie screamed and ran behind him. No! Cook was running behind Yoongi but suddenly slipped and fell on the floor and he started crying loudly. Yoongi quickly picked him in his arms and started walking back and forth to pacify him. Jimin came there and saw him how protectively Yoongi was holding him and lovingly trying to pacify him. It melted his heart. Soon Cook stopped crying and started laughing because Yoongi was making weird faces. Jimin, Cookie, how are you, baby? Cook, Minnie, Cookie, fall. Uni, happy Cookie. Jimin, I saw how Uni helped Cookie, so now Cookie and Uni are friends, right? Cook, no, Minnie, mine. Yoongi, no, Jimin is mine. Went to washroom to make him ready. Jimin smiled to see their cute bickering. They both never gonna change. If your love is pure, then you will jealous with kids too. But that jealousy should be cute one, not evil. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. It was the requested one shot in January, but I couldn't make it. I posted total 3 thumbnails in January. One I already uploaded, second is this one, and third one, abusive family. I will try to upload soon. Thanks for waiting 6 months for this. I hope you all enjoyed Jungkook's bickering. Tell me, who's Jimin, Cook or Yoongi? We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.